All right, good evening, everyone. We're going to walk through quickly how to add a Google Meet to your Google Classroom. First, you're going to click on your Google Chrome. I had it pulled up already to save some time because my internet access is super slow. You're going to hit the waffle here, go down to Meet, click Meet, join or start a meeting, title it whatever you want, continue. Whatever pops up here, just hit allow. Click join now. And when you click join now, this is the screen here that's going to pop up and you need this code. So just hit copy joining information. Just click that button. You're going to go to the top, open up a new tab, go to your waffle again, find your Google Classroom app, put it on whichever classroom that you want. Under classwork, create, assignment, title it whatever you want, daily lesson. And then right here in instructions, you're just going to paste what you copied. You're going to paste the instructions that you copied earlier. And over here under topics, put it under one of your topics. You can put it under recorded daily lessons, whatever you choose. I'm going to put it under my daily lessons. And then hit assign. And then it's going to bring you back to this page. And when you scroll down, your students are going to see this. When they click on it, it's going to have the link for them to go into their Google Meet. That's the link for your meeting. And then you just click on the link and it brings to the meeting that you made. And again, just be sure that they're clicking whatever they have to in order to make their camera work. Mine's not working right now. And that is how you add Google Meets to your Google Classroom.